Good morning, everybody. This lesson we are going to have a go at doing some character descriptions. So I've shared a few documents with you for today's lesson. The first one I want you to look at is this one, which is a sample of some different character descriptions from a few books. Maybe some of them are books you've seen before. For example, the first one's from Harry Potter. Others probably not, but that doesn't matter too much. So just have a read through and think, okay, what makes it good? What makes it effective? How can you use something like that in your writing? So if we look at the first one, it says Mrs. Dursley had nearly twice the usual amount of neck. So that's something about her appearance. She has nearly twice the usual amount of neck, so she's got a really long, thin neck, which came in very useful as she spent so much of her time craning over garden fences, spying on the neighbours. So it's telling something about how she looks, but it's also using it to show something about her personality. And the more we can link those things together, the better it's going to be. So have a read through those. I've also attached a word list basically of adjectives that could be used to describe a personality. Now you won't probably know you won't know many of the words, but you can search for definitions on the internet. You can just copy them and put them into Google or an online dictionary, and you might want to use some of those. I'd be impressed to see some new words in your writing. And finally, once you've done all of that, have a look at the pictures, choose one of these interesting characters, and I would like you to write 2 or 3 paragraphs of description for them. Yeah, so that's the lesson for today, and looking forward to seeing who you choose and what you come up with for them. Um, yeah, great.